guys, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori, and today I'm back with another video. Finally, it has been over a month since I last posted, and you know what's crazy? My last video was like a quarantine mental health check-in, and literally right after I posted that video, my mental health, you know, I've been having a hard time. So that's it. That's why I've been gone so long. I wanted to do a video just talking just a little bit before I just get back into posting. I just want to talk a little bit, you know. I ain't talked to a camera in a minute. As y'all see, my hair is looking good. Got my little mini twist in. I will have an actual tutorial up for these. It'll be up in a couple weeks, honestly, but I have a video recorded, finally a tutorial. What else? I don't know. I don't even know, but my hair looks really, really good. I am done with my growth challenge. I will have those final couple videos out soon as well. So for this look, I actually use Shea Moisture and Cantu and Palmer's to style this. I'm not going to show y'all specifically what I use because, you know, if you want to see that, you got to wait to that tutorial. So I just say all that to say I didn't use GROVEDA for this. But yeah, it looks really good. My hair looks really good. I need a trim still, but we're going to get that done with these mini twists. Y'all know it's easier to trim your hair with twists because, you know, it's already separated. But yeah, I just wanted to talk a little bit. But yeah, my mental health. As I mentioned in a couple videos, I have anxiety, but specifically, I haven't been to like a psychiatrist or a therapist. So I don't know if I have like generalized anxiety. I think that's what it's called. Although I think I do. But I do know for a fact specifically I have health anxiety, which basically means I'm a hypochondriac. And it's always so embarrassing to say that because it's like an embarrassing thing. It's not like it doesn't make me happy pretty much. And whenever I explain it, especially on here, I explain it so lightly that I don't think people who watch my videos and hear that truly understand the depth of it. Some days I can't even get out of bed, and then yeah, it just kind of hard. I don't know. Like right now, my boob is hurting, and I'm trying to ignore it. I don't know why it's hurting too. It's kind of like random. I mean, it is what it is, but it kind of hurts. But like that's something else. Like my boobs hurt. My mind will tell me like, what if it's like breast cancer and stuff, and it just drives me literally crazy. And it's like, it's really freaking hard. I have been having more bad days, but more recently, they have been slowly getting good. I came to the self-realization that maybe I have such bad anxiety because I don't leave my house, and that doesn't necessarily have anything to do with the quarantine. I'm talking about even before the quarantine. I really don't leave my house. I don't have friends or nothing to do stuff with. Like, I don't have people to literally force me out the house to make me do something for them. You know what I mean? What else? Oh, and I also realized I don't do enough self-care. So maybe that's what it is, like small type of self-care stuff, like going shopping for myself. I don't do stuff like that. So I expressed that to my mom, and yesterday she actually took me out and about and bought me, you know, some Bath and Body Works and some more stuff. She bought me the Jackie Aina palette. So I am definitely gonna do like a haul video showing y'all everything I got for self-care. But I did want to tell y'all that I did get the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm so excited. I'm not wearing nothing from it today, obviously, but you know, I did a very light makeup routine. If you follow Lisette, I did something similar to hers. I just spot concealed where necessary, put like a powder foundation on, you know, just the, I don't know, and then I put on some bronzer. I don't think it did anything, but I tried to fill in my brows with just a pencil and no concealer, and I put on some lashes. They look okay. They're not like the best, but yeah, I followed her little tutorial of what I remember from it. And I have on like a nude lipstick with brown liner and highlight. So That's what I have on. But yeah, going back to what I was saying, I also did think that my lack of self-care aided in my anxiety. I don't know. And then it kind of got to a point where my anxiety was making me depressed. And I was like really, truly depressed for a couple of days. Like 2 or 3 days. Honestly, it wasn't super long, but it was like bad. It was actually pretty bad. So, yeah. I just been having a really, really hard time. It's kind of hard constantly feeling like you're going to die. And that may sound so dramatic, but it's literally the truth. It's kind of hard feeling like you're constantly going to die. And that's how it feels when you have health anxiety or when you are a hypochondriac. It just constantly feels like you're going to die. And you're constantly self-diagnosing yourself. Because I feel like every human being feels different, bodily sensations. But if that's all your mind can focus on, it does get pretty hard. But yeah. And then I have been having more good days. And even with all the bad days, every now and again I would have a good day. And like a couple weeks ago, I was having a good day. So, well, not a good day, but a better day. And I was like, you know what? Me and my granny was like, you know what? Let's take her car to the freaking car wash, because here where I live, and I'm sure they have it in multiple places, if you wash your car, like you pay for a car wash, you can vacuum it out for free. So we did that, and I fell really bad. You know when you walking and then your ankle do that thing and you kind of go over to the side, but sometimes you can stop it and bounce back. What happened to me, and I wasn't able to bounce back. So I like sprained my ankle. My ankles are still swollen to this day, and I cut my hand. As you can see, it's like healing really well, but I'm gonna insert a picture. And I hurt this side too, but it was not nearly as bad as this side. What else happened? Oh, and when I fell, I pulled like a muscle or something. I guess is it shaking? I'm so sorry that I've been shaking the whole time. But I guess a groin muscle, I think you would call it. Like, I don't know. I don't want to explain it. But I pulled a freaking muscle, and that hurt. So, in the other leg, so like both legs were hurting. One ankle was hurting on my left leg, and then like my pelvic area, I don't even know how you would call it, and my right leg was hurting, so I was limping. But that's all right now. My ankle is still swollen, but it's okay. And yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to tell y'all that. Like, I just been having a hard time mentally. And when I'm having them hard times, it's really hard for me to want to get up and record videos and edit and all that. So, I haven't. That's just that. I haven't did it. But, I'm going to try to get back into the groove of it. I'm not 100% cured. I'm not cured at all. But I feel like I might have a couple of good days, starting now. Like, I feel like this might be an okay rest of the week. It's Tuesday. I wanted to have this video up on Tuesday, but I will have it up on Thursday. So, but today it's been pretty good, and hopefully Thursday is good. I know something else that will really, really help with this, and help with about maybe 60% of it is eating better and getting some physical exercise. I don't do that. I don't even eat 3 times a day. I only eat once a day. So I gotta change a lot. I gotta change my eating habits. I gotta change what I eat, and I gotta start walking every day. So yeah, getting into that different stuff may help with the anxiety. I do want to say that having anxiety is so bad. It's really bad. You know what I mean? Like, I used to think being depressed was like one of the worst things that could ever happen, and that's so not true. Having anxiety is worse than being depressed. It really is. So it's just been a hard type of battle in my head, and it's not something I can talk with people about. I know the people in my house don't always understand, so if they don't understand, I'm not gonna call up somebody else and try to explain. You know what I mean? So it's just been something. It's been something. Like, I haven't even posted on Instagram since the beginning of June, and tomorrow's the 1st of July. Like, I haven't posted a picture of myself since June 8th, and tomorrow's July 1st. So that's that on that. But I did post a picture for Breonna Taylor and Elijah McCain. So yeah, I had to though. You know what I mean? I had to. I think I don't know if it's been helping or making it worse. Just everything going on in the world. So hopefully, as I start getting better, hopefully the world, I don't really know. But, you know, I do want to end this video by saying we, us, America, the black community, I don't even know what else to say. We demand justice for Breonna Taylor. Okay? And I hope that don't sound kind of weird, but honestly, we demand justice for Breonna Taylor. We do. Also, if y'all haven't heard, last year this happened. A young man, I believe he was 23, Elijah McCain, was killed, murdered by cops, and it's been going around that he was autistic as well, which my little sister is autistic, so that really, but yeah, like I just said, that really made that hit home. Now, it wasn't confirmed. Like, I don't believe his family confirmed that he was autistic, but just comparing the traits that my sister has to how they say he was and what he said and how he was talking to the police is what I would imagine, you know, how I don't want to get into all that. But yeah, you know, so that just really made it hit home for me. So if me posting a post and doing all this, that, and the third can just spread more awareness to him in his case, just my one little self, I'm going to do that. So I'm just saying, you know, Black Lives Matter. Obviously, all lives matter, but how can all lives matter if Black lives don't? All lives cannot matter until Black lives matter. Black lives matter too. So, period. That's just that on that. But anyways, yeah, this wasn't the happiest of videos, but I did want to give an update because, and like I just said, it wasn't the happiest of all videos because the reason I've been gone is not a happy reason, you know. But you know, if you watch this whole video, I just asked you, you know, pray for me. Just pray for me. That's all I want. And hopefully those prayers and those good vibes, vibrations, all that light and positivity that you send to me, I feel it, you know. So that's all I want. But that's pretty much it for this video. So if you all enjoyed it, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, share the video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Bye.